need something to eat. So please go to Buy on Top 4 Ways. Whatever you can spare, I appreciate it. I need your help. Please help. Food cart's empty right now. Please help me. I need 500 in my account so I can get a replacement rental vehicle to work for work tomorrow morning. I've been stranded outside since Friday before last. Please help me. I'm grateful for any help. Go to the bio Top 4 Ways. Fourth one's the best way. Please help.
Hello? Alright. Yeah.
Any amount helps, y'all. Send whatever you can spare, and then go tell your followers, your friends, family, coworkers, and church members. Get them help too. But in the meantime, y'all continuously to double tap the screen, please. But that's what I need, man. I can't do it out here no more. Alright, so I need to get 500. Everybody please go to the bio, Top 4 Ways. Fourth way is the best. Any amount helps. I'm grateful for any help, but I gotta have it. So I can get off the street and get a replacement rental vehicle to work for work and go back to work. I'm homeless, I'm stranded, I'm broke, I'm hungry. I need your help. Please help me. I did not get it. I still need to get it. I need 500. Any amount helps. Go to the bio, Top 4 Ways.
Hopefully it stays that way.
Please help me. That's not true. I never did that. As a matter of fact, he did it to me. show you on the streets, you get more people help. And I have showed. I showed I was sleeping on the pavement, the sidewalk, and everything. What is it that you do? I'm a driver. I need to go get a replacement rental vehicle through work for work. I need $500 in my account immediately. It's $435 a week. I got to start a new contract, get a replacement rental vehicle through work for work. The one I had before broke down the Friday before last, and I've been stranded outside ever since. I'm homeless, and I'm broke, I'm stranded, and I'm hungry, and I need to get a rental vehicle to work for work, and I need $500 to do it. So please go to my bio. Any amount helps. I'm grateful for any help, but I've got to get out from being on here on the streets. So all I'm trying to do is get back to work. So please help. Freaking bugs out here. That's not true. No, I ain't got no car. I got nothing. I am homeless, I'm broke, I'm stranded, I'm hungry, I got nothing. I am stranded, I'm broke, I'm homeless, I'm on the streets. I need $500 in my account immediately, so that way tomorrow morning I can go get a replacement rental vehicle to work for work and go to work. Where do I live? I'm homeless, I ain't got nowhere to live. But I'm in the state of Florida. Yeah, the one that rental I had before broke down the Friday before last. I've been stranded outside ever since then. 24 hours a day. In the heat, the rain, the bugs, you name it. So if I have $500 in my account, it's $435 a week for the rental through work for work. I need $435. That'll get me a new contract and a replacement vehicle and back to work. I need $500 though, so I can get an Uber to the place to get it in the morning and get something to eat tonight. And if I had even more, I would get a hotel room tonight. After I had the rental vehicle money, yeah, I'd go get a hotel, take a shower, sleep inside an air conditioner on a bed, and then go get it in the morning. But I'm just trying to make sure I got enough for the rental first. Yeah, it's in my bio. The top 4 ways in the bio. The fourth one's the best way because they don't take a piece of it, but I'm grateful for any help. Anybody in here got some positive help, please go to the bio, top 4 ways. I need $500 please, so I can get off the streets and get a rental vehicle through work for work tomorrow and go to work. Any amount helps. I'm grateful for any help. Please help me. So everybody go to the bio, top of ways. I don't have to be loud. Y'all can help even though I ain't here. So y'all go do that. 500 bucks, top 4 ways. Please help.